It's Denina and
Debbie
coming to you with a mukbang. Today we're in the car, so this is our first car mukbang. We figured we'll do one. We're going to do a review of Arbys' new fish sandwich, and she is doing...
I am doing...
Sorry.
The
Buffalo
tenders.
chicken tenders. So let's just get started. With that, we'll come with a quick mukbang. Demi has dance practice, so we're going to come with a quick mukbang. So we went to Arbys, and they actually gave me 2 sandwiches. I asked for the Nashville hot, and they gave me 2. So I have the regular one, the Nashville hot, and I got the one on the King's, what is that? The King's Hawaiian bread. So I hope it's enough lighting. We're in our car, and like I said, this is our first time doing it. So this is my sandwich. Hope you guys can see it. It looks like it has lettuce, pickles, and so it's like a seasoning that they spray. I mean that they shake on there. So it's like pickles. I don't know, you probably can't see it, but you see that red stuff? That's the Nashville hot seasoning. And we're just gonna get right into it. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't have bit right into the seasoning.
Is that what's spicy?
That's kind of hot, y'all. Oh, and then we went to Wendy's. Because, oh my God. Okay, don't bite right into the red seasoning.
It's so fire.
It's hot. Woo! That's a spicy sandwich, but it's good. Went to Wendy's because I don't like Arbys anything. Like since I'm doing pescatarian, I want to try their fish sandwich. But I didn't want their fries or anything like that. I don't like their sides. I went to Wendy's to get drinks. I wanted some cheese fries. So I got their cheese fries. I can't do chili, so I'm kind of skimpy on this cheese. Maybe you guys can see that. I'm kind of skimpy on the cheese. But these fries are good. I don't need a fork. Just gonna dig right into it. Of course, someone just put up next to us. This one. Yeah, she didn't get no fries either.
Oh,
go ahead.
These are cheesy.
So, we kind of got a lot going on. Just right there. Put the fries right here. So I hope you guys are having a good day. Really good. I love their cheese fries. Okay, I'm going to save this sandwich for, I guess, later. Because I wasn't expecting to get a free extra sandwich. And I didn't notice it until I drove away. I was like, why is my bag so heavy? Because I didn't get any sides. I looked in there, and it was another sandwich. Jimmy, you gonna take out your nuggets, your tenders, so they can see?
I'm trying to, but
Let's wrap it with your hand. Why don't you just bring the container out?
because that's a lot of work.
No. Jimmy's over here digging her stuff out the bag with a fork. Let me help her out. So they come in a container like this, guys. And she got the 3 nuggets. The reason it's a lot of work is you done messed up the container and got it all messy. That's a nice buffalo sauce. So it won't touch you. So guys, it's really, really good.
Really, really good.
I got extra tartar sauce because sometimes a pickle, they be dry. I can't handle a dry sandwich. But this is perfect. And then we came to Wendy's for fries. They have a chicken sandwich because I guess it's about to be lamb.
Fish sandwich.
So they always bring fish sandwiches out for Lent. You know I had to call Chick-fil-A I think they bought a fish sandwich a couple years back here in Colorado. I was like, y'all bringing a fish sandwich? I was like, nope. I was like, oh. I miss Chick-fil-A so much. But my 30-day challenge will be up Sunday. I'm proud of myself because I did good. I took a lot of thinking outside the box, but I'm making it. This hot. It's hot, y'all. Whew. I mean, I don't know about everybody's tolerance level, but mine is not that great. It's hot. So they're just pouring seasoning on it to make it spicy. Our lighting sucks.
Yeah.
We just have to do a mukbang as it gets dark.
But I think it's a nice view behind us.
It is a nice view behind us. Can you guys see the mountains? Nope. There's no mountain.
Just clouds.
Woo, girl. God, this is spicy.
Oh, excuse me.
Flavorful yet spicy. And I feel like pop never helps.
It's just like that.
It intensifies it.
Yeah.
Is yours spicy? You want some of these flowers? A lot of people kind of walking past. Now I see people behind us. Look, some students, some high school kids. It's a high school right up the street. And y'all like, what's going on? Okay.
That was pretty close to
Yeah, like, are you guys about to fight?
Get away. I want to eat some
Cut this video short. I don't know what they're doing. Y'all know kids to be kids, especially boys. Well, and girls, but you know, boys like to wrestle and
girls.
Yeah, I hope you guys can hear that.
Yeah, because they're
Now they're cussing. Okay, guys, so anyway, back to my video.
For rudely interrupted.
Oh my god. Okay, so it looks like it's stopped. Oh my god. It's like really finna fight or something. Okay. Anyway, back to our video. This is our entertainment for this weekday, this weeknight. Oh, excuse me. So guys, this weekend, I got an editing program. So I'm going to try to learn how to edit. Because I have a cooking video that I taped, I want to say a week ago. Over a week ago. We tried that Beyond the Meat burger, but I couldn't upload it because when I recorded it, it was on our phone. I recorded it. Oh! I'm gonna have to stop on this. This is hot. I'm not, ooh, goodness, I'm not here for this. I think I'm gonna have to wrap this one up and taste the other one. And this ain't even I'm just mad. This ain't even a Hawaiian bread. They should have gave me 2 sandwiches. What just happened to the light?
I don't know.
Oh, you know why? Because the car is off. I'm turn the car back on. Wait, really?
Sorry, guys.
Don't judge us. This is our first car mukbang. Oh, time for music. Sorry. Yeah, they need to give me 2 sandwiches. Oh, this is a Hawaiian. Because it comes with that King's Hawaiian bread. That one I was just eating was just sesame bread. Yeah, I had to move on, guys, because that got hot.
I'm still in the hotness.
And that one wasn't a deluxe. I asked for lettuce and tomatoes. This has everything on it.
They like got everything. Like,
So that's fine because you know what? I can't handle that hot. This is really good. Okay. Yeah. Oh, good. Looks like they got on the bus. Hopefully they don't have any troubles on the bus. Anyway, this is really good. You want to taste it? Did you finish your chicken? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm with Demi. My nose is running. I didn't even. It got that bad. Oh, sorry. Woo! I'm just gonna have a couple bites of this one. I'm getting full. This is really good. The Hawaiian bread is like that sweet. Those rolls. This is a nice touch. Thumbs up to Arbys on this Hawaiian, King's Hawaiian. You can't ever go wrong with the King's Hawaiian.
Nope.
You sure?
Yeah, I think my tongue's gonna need some time to recover.
Your tongue. She said her tongue's on fire. You want some more fries?
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat them. So, what I was saying, I think before we had started having all the ruckus, we got an editing program that my son's gonna walk me through this weekend, because that's what he's going to school for, to be a producer, film, all that. So he's gonna walk me through the program. So hopefully I become editing savvy. I'm gonna show Jimmy too. Jimmy can help me. So if I'm busy, she can assist us. I'm gonna have like 2 more bites. Is that just full? Slinging fries in the car. Yeah, so Demi's with me. I'm so happy she's back. I know I told you on last video, Demi's gone. She's back. And it's so funny, your comments, some of your comments about her facial expressions. What's up with these kids' facial expressions? I follow another YouTuber, and when her youngest son is in it, he's in high school though. He'll be having all kind of crazy expressions. I'm like, ooh. So it's funny that you guys said the same thing about Jimmy. Come on, me guys. This is my. I love wearing a baseball hat. I've been hooked on it for about. When I started wearing baseball caps, maybe about last summer.
Really?
And I'm like hooked on them, like baseball cap, baseball cap. So it's like when I go to the store, I go shopping, I have to go to the hat section like, so you cute hats, baseball hats? I like regular hats too, but, or other hats, but. Oh my goodness, they're still there. I think I'm on the bus. Why are they on the bus? Okay guys, so this is the second free sandwich. Like I said, I paid for one, they gave me one for free. I ate most of the hot one, but this pot one was killing me. I would have to eat the rest of that one with some agua. I need some water. Alright, that's my last bite. This is super good. Super good. And now I'm kind of wondering if you do get this sandwich, the hot one, I think if it would have been the Hawaiian, the King's Hawaiian, it would have been like sweet and spicy, and it kind of probably would have tamed the spicy down a little bit. But since it was just the sesame bun, it was just hot. So this is all, she ate all her chicken tenders. This is all the fries we have left. We're about to smash these and then get her to dance. So yeah, on Thursdays we eating on the go unless we got leftovers.
Yeah.
Which I took out the leftovers today, so to work. So I didn't have no more leftovers. But yeah, thumbs up to Arbys new spicy fish sandwich. The regular one is bomb, but for you spice lovers, get it.
Yeah.
It's really good. And the only thing I really like at Arbys is their
Mozzarella.
what?
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella sticks. I don't really like their fries.
No.
Did you take that one with all the cheese on?
Maybe.
She gonna take my last cheesy fry. These are so good. Shout out to Wendy's. I get these cheese fries the second time I've had them. It's the chili cheese fries, but I get them with no chili, of course, because it has meat in it. These are bomb. Bomb.com. I wish I could have made it to Sonic, because I love Sonic cheese fries too. Is that your phone? Alright, guys. That's it. Yep, that's it. These are just like, I hate the ends. The one with just I don't want those. I am super full. I'm asking for forks. We don't even need forks. I thought we were going to need forks. They put that in the bag. Oh my goodness. Whew. Go get you guys some cheese fries from Wendy's. Whoop. Go get you make sure it's the King's Hawaiian bread at Arbys fish sandwich. It is really, really good. Ooh. I am so sorry. Excuse me. I try not to burp. Maybe I'll put that in the caption, in the title. Burping. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. Excuse me. All right, guys. Thanks so much. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We appreciate you guys. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Comment below, and then if you really like it, hit that red subscribe button, and please subscribe to our channel. We're definitely trying to build up our subscribers. By what you see, we're being more consistent with our videos. So yes, please like, comment, and subscribe to Diesel's Life with Demi, and have a great night, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.